This is the long haul 0.8 gallon fuel canister. It's very similar to the Roto packs, held on with a similar fitting through a hole in the center. I like the shape a little bit better. It's more of a square block than a long rectangle, so it fits, in my opinion, on motorcycles a little bit better. I went with the black one just so it's a little less prominent, where I'm trying to kind of hide it between my rack and my rear wheel in the back. So before you say it should be red because it's fuel, well, there's fuel in that right there and it's black too, so I'm not too worried about it. We'll see how it goes.
This is what the red version looks like, and it's available in a 5 liter or a 3 liter.
I just finished adding this long haul 0.8 gallon fuel canister to my KTM 890 Adventure R. It's nice because it kind of sits in behind my rack. You can unscrew the cap and fill it up without having to take the can off. It sits nicely behind my soft panniers and locks into these racks by Outback Mototech. They have these brackets that go on them, and the other bracket is for a waterproof tool pouch I'm going to put behind there to keep a air pump and a safety first aid kit, maybe a few tools, even though most of my tools are underneath my seat. But I like the location. I went with the black so it wasn't quite as conspicuous, kind of hidden back under there with the racks on, so I think it works pretty good, and it's just enough fuel to give me, you know, an extra 30 miles of road time in case I'm in some extreme situations, or, you know, I ride with a few other people that have a lot smaller fuel tanks that may need some help as well, so it's pretty nice. This is how the long haul fuel can mounts onto my bike. It's got a little bracket there, similar to the Roto packs, and a threaded connection that holds it on. And so it's nice because it, you know, kind of hidden back there, out of the way, kind of takes the place of the exhaust on the other side and balances it out.
You can find these fuel cans on either eBay or even Amazon. And like I said, they're available in a 3 liter, which is 0.8 gallons, or a 5 liter, that is 1.3 gallons. I didn't feel I needed that much, so I went with the smaller version. They're, you know, seem to be pretty well made, and we'll let you know how it turns out on the trail and how it works in the long run.